Hey, I'm gonna be over top of you, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw him. He just shot at me. That was close.
I've got a shot.
I get a shotgun.
He does it again. I mean, he shot straight.
Yeah, you shooting at us. I saw a muzzle flash out of that room straight in front of us.
That's the suspect. I saw the gun outside of the room.
Shot right here.
He shot right at Real. I pulled the trigger.
Yes, I have cover.
When I shot, he fell to the ground.
Wait, yes, get behind that right there. Wait, you're in a bad spot.
That's a bad spot.
Get behind me, right here.
Which one is it?
It's
the open door. Open door, second floor. Open door, second floor.
He's on the ground next to the red chair. When I shot, he fell.
Hey, you need to come out here now.
Hey, he's going that way.
We got one running. It's not suspect. He's just trying to get out of there.
He's in his room. Okay, he's in a room. That's fine. Good.
Use my shoulder.
Okay, so listen. Jacob, you go second. Y'all know everybody stay behind Sarge. He's shield cover. Guys, we're gonna move up, okay? All right, on
Sarge,
Sarge.
do not push left. If you push a direction, push right. Because I'll be aiming over your left shoulder, okay?
Okay, where?
Yeah, we're going for that pillar to the left. We're going left.
Okay, yeah, but are we
Going up the
stairs?
Yes, but we're going left. Sarge, you keep your pistol pointed to the back of the shield.
No,
You got, okay, all right.
ready?
Go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Slow it down. Slow it down.
Slow it down.
Let's take the stairwell then. It will be. Let's take the stairwell. We're going to push back behind talent. Sarge, on you. Let's go. Hey, set piece. Give me one set piece. Stay with the vehicle.
I'll stay right here. I got a rifle and the rest.
Got you. Hey, y'all hold here. We're moving up here. We're gonna team move up.
Hold your hands. No, I'm not here.
All right, Sarge. Up the stairwell.
Are we gonna?
What do you want? We got plenty of time.
We gotta start making announcements. We gotta start making announcements.
Hey, LG. Hey, we got a team. We're kind of close to the door. We got several bodies down, so we're trying to extract. He's down also.
Let's move up to another pillar upstairs. Take cover. Call out from there.
You ready with me?
I'm moving with you.
All right, ready? Move.
All right. Hey, I got to the left of the stairwell for whatever.
Josh,
Hey, do I have anybody at 3335, 134?
All right.
Two on the ground. Two on the ground.
They are injured. They're dead. They are dead. The one to the right is the possible suspect.
I got you. Hold the air.
Hold the air. We're close down. We got two down.
I'm gonna push past you. Inspect real quick. Just take a pulse.
That's clear. They are around.
I got nothing.
You see that open doorway?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any movement? Any movement?
Let us push slowly up to
I
it.
need to stack up behind Sarge.
We got time.
Behind Sarge. Take cover.
Remember, Sarge, I'm on your right. They look down.
Watch that window. Cover that window.
Okay. I do not see a gun out here. He's possibly still inside.
Do you see
Down though. No, I do not see him from here.
body down?
You see a body down?
3335, Antoine is going to be
Okay.
Push it. Push it. Yeah, push. I got you. I got you. He's down. Down. He's down. Look like a... Yeah, he's down. He's down.
Down from what you can see.
Let me get the door. Let me get the door. Let me get the door.
I got him.
In my back?
Where's the gun? Where's the gun? I don't see a gun.
That's okay.
You see a gun?
I don't.
Hey, anyone else in this room? Come out now with nothing in your hands.
You got your shots.
Anyone else in this room? Come out with nothing in your hands.
shoot. Mexicans are black. White.
Because we know, if it is, we know.
Mexicans.
Listen, one thing at a time, okay?
Mexicans.
Black. Here, babe.
Mexicans, officer. White, but he's, he has blood everywhere. Arm, hand,
Let me get this over your arm, bud.
so far that I can see.
I need to get it as high as I can, all right?
Outside. Hey, that's
Hey, just stay away from that, okay?
We've already been waiting.
I will make sure nobody come right here. But if they come, I'm going to put them.
Listen, just go over there.
On the light.
Dude, you gotta hold that arm up for me, okay?
I think he's shot at his finger, too. Look at his finger.
I got a license plate number. Yes, I'm a press charges. He hit me like 20 times.
Call my mom.
It's gonna be uncomfortable, Anna.
Where the ambulance at? This hurts.
It's gonna hurt.
They need pressure on it.
It's gonna hurt. Listen to me.
It's going to hurt. You need pressure on it. You don't know where you're shot at. We decided.